Hi everyone! Today we'll be discussing the verb to be, which was requested by one of you. So yeah, if you ever have any particular things you want to learn about, as far as Slovene goes, obviously, just comment below and I'll definitely take it into consideration. Today we'll be learning how to conjugate the verb to be in present, past, and future, and also all the appropriate negated forms. In case you've missed the video on personal pronouns, please watch that one first, because I won't be going through them again, but you will need to know them to start forming sentences with the verb to be, and obviously all the future verbs we'll be discussing. But yeah, let's get to it. Have my laptop here, which I'll be referring to, so please don't be offended if I look down a lot. So the verb to be, the indefinite form in Slovene is biti. But let's start with the present form. By the way, I have written down all the forms of the verb in a PDF document in like little tables, so you can download the PDF and have the tables in front of you, so it will make a lot more sense. I'll obviously also show them on screen, but for future practicing, I definitely suggest you to download the PDF, which again will be linked in the description box. But yeah, let's start with the present form of the verb to be. And like I said in the personal pronouns video, in Slovene we don't only have singular and plural, but also dual, which affects all the verbs basically. The way we'll go about it is we'll start with all the forms in singular, then all the forms in dual, and all the forms in plural. The form of the verb to be in first person singular is sam. Then for the second person we have the form si, and for the third person we have the form je. Sam, si, je. For first person dual we have sva, second person dual is sta, and third person dual is sta. So when it comes to dual, the form of the verb to be in the second and the third person is the same. First person plural is smo, second person plural is ste, and third person plural is so. Smo, ste, so. To repeat, sem, si, je, sva, sta, sta, and smo, ste, so. And now if we move to the second table, we have the negated form of the verb to be, so not to be, and we actually have a formula for this. So for all the forms that we have just learned about for the verb to be in present, we just add ni in front of them. So if the first person singular is sem, the negated form would be nisem. If the second person singular is si, the negated form would be nisi. We just add ni in front of all those forms. The only difference is third person singular, because we drop the ye and we just use ni. So to go through all of the negated forms, first person singular is nisem, second person singular is nisi, and third person singular is ni. First person dual is nisva, the second person dual is nista, and the third person dual is nista. First person plural is nismo, second person plural is niste, and third person plural is niso. Once you know the present form of the verb to be, the negated form is pretty easy. Moving on to the past form of the verb to be, we have a formula to follow as well, which will make learning easier for you. Basically, we just copy paste the present form of the verb to be. Sem, si, je, sva, sta, sta, smo, ste, so. Sorry, that was very quick, but we just copy that and we add to it. For the first person singular, we would add on biu, which is for a male, or bila, which is for a female. So the first person singular in the past tense would be sem biu or sem bila. The same goes for second person singular. We have si biu, si bila. And then third person singular is je biu or je bila. When it comes to dual, the add-on is either bili or bila. But here's the catch. Bila is not for females, but for males or a mixed couple of people. So sva bila. And then we have bili, which is used when it comes to females. First person dual would be sva bila or sva bili. Second person dual would be sta bila or stabili. And third person plural would be stabila or stabili, again the same. When it comes to plural, the add-on is either bili for a male or mixed bunch of people, or bile for females. So the form of the verb to be in the first person plural would be smo bili or smo bile. Second person plural, stebili, stebile. And then third person plural, sobili or sobile. And when it comes to the negated form of the verb to be in the past tense, we have a mixed formula going on. We take the present form of the verb not to be, for example, nisem, nisi, ni, and we take the add-ons of the verb to be in past tense. So first person singular would be nisem bil for males, and nisem bila for females. Second person singular, nisi bil or nisi bila. Third person singular, ni bil or ni bila. Then we have first person dual, nisva bila or nisva bili. Second person dual, nista bila or nista bili. And again, third person dual is the same, nista bila or nista bili. And first person plural is nismobili or nismobile. Second person plural, nistabili or nistabile. And third person plural is nisobili or nisobile. I know this is now very rushed for you probably and very confusing, but when you see the PDF file that I've prepared for you, it will all make sense because I'll have everything in the table color coordinated and the formulas written down, so you'll just basically learn a few bits and put them together very quickly. But yeah, we have the future form of the verb to be left. This one unfortunately doesn't follow a formula, so we have a new set of forms to learn by heart. The first person singular is bom. The second person singular is bosh. The third person singular is bo. Then we have the first person dual is bova. The second person dual is bosta, and the third person dual is bosta. For first person plural, we have boma. For second person plural, we have boste, and then third person plural is bodo. And when it comes to the negative form of the verb to be in the future tense, we just add the word ne, which actually means no. We add that in front of all the forms that we have just gone through. Let's go through all the negative forms of the verb to be in the future tense. So first person singular is nebom. Second person singular is nebosh. Third person singular is nebo. Then we have first person dual, nebova. Second person dual, nebosta. And third person dual, nebosta. First person plural is nebomo. Second person plural is neboste. And third person plural is nebodo. And that is all. As you know, learning the verb to be in any language, you just kind of have to learn it by heart. So practice, practice, practice. Watch this video several times and refer to the PDF that I've put together for you, which again, like I said before, will make things a lot easier.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.